everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll try to understand the very basic model called linear regression. So it would be useful for everyone, whether you are a student, a data analyst or a data scientist. This is a very basic concept that you would apply in your day-to-day work. So let's get started. First thing first, what exactly is linear regression? In simple terms, linear regression is a statistical model used to model the relationship between two variables by fitting a linear equation to observed data. Imagine you have a bunch of data points and you want to draw a straight line that best represents the trend of those points. That's linear regression. For example, let's say we have data on the number of hours a student study and the corresponding exam score. By plotting this data on a graph, we can use linear regression to find the line that best fits the data points, helping us to understand the relationship between study time and exam performance. Now, let's talk about what is the equation of a typical representation of linear regression. So in linear regression, we use the equation y is equal to mx plus b, where y is the dependent variable, x is the independent variable, m is the slope of line and b is the y-intercept. The slope m tells us how much y changes for a 1 unit change in x, and the y-intercept b is the value of y when x is equal to 0. So, if we continue with the study time and exam score example, y would be the exam score, x would be the number of study hours, and would represent how much the exam score increases for each additional hour of study. And B would be the predicted exam score if a student didn't study at all. Now let's try to understand how do we fit this line to our data. We use a method called least squares. The goal is to minimize the sum of the square difference between the observed values and the value predicted by our line. This gives us the best fitting line that represents the trend in our data. Imagine we have the following data points for study hours and exam scores. By applying the least square method, we can calculate the slope and y-intercept of the line that best fits these points, allowing us to make predictions about exam scores based on study hours. Now, in summary, linear regression isn't just a theoretical concept, it's used in various real-life applications. For example, it's used in predicting house prices based on features like square footage and location, analyzing sales trend over time, and even in machine learning algorithm. It's a very powerful tool for making data-driven decisions. Let's say we are trying to predict house prices. We can use linear regression to analyze data on house prices and features like square footage, number of bathroom, and location. By fitting a linear line to this data, we can make predictions about the price of a house based on its features. To sum it up, linear regression is a fundamental technique in statistics and data analysis. It helps us understand the relationship between variables and make predictions based on data. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more informative videos, and hit the notification bell button so that you never miss our update. Thanks for watching and see you next time.